Welcome back to our MATLAB for Students series. In this episode, we're going to explore how to use MATLAB's basic plotting functions to create visual representations of your data. Let's start with a simple line plot. In the command window or a new script, type the following: x equals 0.110, y equals sin x. Plot x, y. You'll immediately see a graph of the sine wave. MATLAB automatically scales the axis and renders the line. To customize your plot, add a title, axis labels, and a grid. For example, title sine wave, X label x-axis, Y label amplitude, grid on. You can also change the color and style of the line. Plot X, Y, R. Now let's add multiple data sets to one plot. Y2 is cos E is X. Plot XYB XY2R. The legend function helps distinguish between the curves. Another useful function is subplot, which lets you create multiple plots in the same figure window. Subplot 2001 plot XY, title sine. Subplot 2001-2, plot XY2, title cosine. Finally, save your figure using Save as GCF, myplot.png. This exports your plot as an image you can use in reports or presentations. That's your introduction to basic plotting in MATLAB. In our next video, we'll look at data import and analysis, getting real-world data into MATLAB and extracting insights. Stay tuned.